back to my channel. Welcome to the last of the Super Sundays. So I thought I'd finish up this month of February with everybody's favorite comfort soup. Can you guess what it is? Chicken noodle. I'm going to make it in the Instant Pot to show you how quickly you can get a nice hot soupy dinner ready on a cold night, which it isn't here. But anyway, I'm going to make sort of half the recipe because I don't want to have a lot of it left over. So because I have already got 2 quarts of soup in the freezer, so we need to be using some of this. I'm going to take you down to the counter and show you the ingredients that you'll need for this chicken noodle soup. I'll be right back. Okay, here are your ingredients. You need chicken, celery, carrots, onions. That's the only vegetables that usually are in a chicken noodle soup. Some garlic, salt and pepper, some thyme, oregano, bay leaves, and chicken stock. Now I have some homemade stock and I'm just going to supplement it with what's left in this chicken broth here, as well as noodles. So as long as we have the chicken and the noodles, we're all set. Okay, let's put this together in the Instant Pot. Alright, I'm going to start. My Instant Pot is on saute. I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of oil. And all my vegetables. Now I didn't use my chopper this time. I just cut some onions, carrots, and celery. And make sure you use the leaves of the celery. There's a lot of flavor in those. You don't have to saute these vegetables, but I think it does give them a little bit extra flavor. So I'm using 1 big chicken breast. And I think that's going to be enough for the amount of soup I'm making. Okay, we're going to add some pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, about. That's a little more than 1/4 teaspoon, but me likes pepper, that's all right. I think I opened the wrong side. Ha-ha. And salt. Not much salt, because the broth has salt in it. I think I got a whole teaspoon of pepper, but that's okay. Vegetables are very bland. I'm going to have a teaspoon of oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, It says a bay leaf or 2 they're kind of small. I'm going to put 3 in. Oh, that's a pretty good one. And 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to just add a nice spoonful. Okay, now I'm going to add my homemade stock first, and I have just under 4 cups. And then I will add the rest of this chicken broth, which is probably another 3. And last but not least, the star of the show, now I'm going to cook this on pressure. It said 8 minutes, but my chicken breast is, I'm going to shut this off, my chicken breast is partially frozen. So I'm going to start it at 12. Oh, there you go. Thank you. So I'm going to do pressure cook for 12 minutes. And then I'm going to let it naturally release for 10, and then I will come back when I'm releasing the rest of the pressure. And there it is. I just took the top off. I've taken the chicken out, and I'm just going to move this back. So let's see if we can get this in view here. Good thing to shred, because this is supposed to be a boneless chicken breast, and I just found a bone. If I were doing a lot of shredding, I'd just use my mixer. Do you know that shreds very well? But there's only 1 chicken breast, so I figured I could handle it. Looks like this is cooked very well. I'm going to put this back on saute. 4 ounces. What I'm doing is I'm going to measure some of these noodles out. Boy, I got that one right on the nose, 4 ounces. And I think I will check it for seasoning. Good. I think I could use a little salt. Okay, I'm going to let these go for about 8 minutes or so till the noodles are nice and tender, and I'll be back for the taste test. Okay, actually I just shut the pot off and left the noodles for about 10 minutes. And look at this. Look at that comforting chicken noodle soup. Now, if the noodles start to eat up all your soup, just add some more chicken broth. Isn't that nice? That is so delicious looking. I'm going to bring you up and I'm going to try and taste test it. It's very hot. But when has that ever stopped me? Well, I tell you what, it's so hot I can't pick the dish up. But I will get, I want a noodle, I want some chicken, and some vegetables. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is comfort food. And everything is done perfectly. One more bite. Maybe 2. Maybe I'll finish the whole bowl. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Did I say one more bite? I must have lied. Okay, I'm stopping. Delicious, absolutely delicious. And I can't wait. We're going to serve it tonight just with some soup crackers. And maybe some biscuits. So I'm going to say goodbye because I'm going to go eat my soup. I hope you all have a great Sunday afternoon. And I'll see you again on Tuesday for Craft Day. Until then, everybody, stay safe. Keep your distance, wear your mask where appropriate. Get your vaccine if you so choose, please. And until I see you on Tuesday, everybody, play nice now, please. Love you. Bye-bye.